Let us see one more problem on vectors. It is given as the magnitudes of the x and y components of a vector p bar are 7 and 6, and the magnitude of the x and y components of a vector p bar plus q bar are 11 and 9 respectively. And finally he is asking us to find out magnitude of q. So first of all, before going into the problem, let us try to understand what are these x and y components exactly. So general form of a vector, you can just identify general form of a vector is given. That too I am just taking in two-dimensional form. Okay, please make a note of this one. In two-dimensional form I am taking, let that vector be denoted by some r bar, let me suppose like. So you can treat this one as x I cap plus y j cap. So what do you mean by this x I cap plus and y j cap? X is an units or whatever the units covered along x-axis, units along x-axis, or the magnitude along x-axis, you can say. You can just say units or magnitude along x-axis. For example, a person was walking 2 meter along x-axis. That's what you can take the x value as 2 there. And similarly y, you can say this is along y-axis, the amount or the magnitude or whatever it is, units or a distance or displacement or velocity, any quantity you can consider that is along y-axis, and thus this x value is called as x component and this y value is called as y component. So indirectly for us they have given that p bar. So what they have given indirectly, given x and y components of a vector p bar is, so let me write p bar is equals to xi cap plus yj cap, where he has given x component as 7, so this is going to be 7i cap, and y component as 6, so this is your 6j cap. So thus we have got p bar as like this, and then he has given x and y components of p bar plus q bar also. So therefore the sum of one vector, that is p bar, and the another vector q bar is resultant given a vector in terms of xi cap and yj cap again, and their components are, x component is 11, so 11i cap, and y component is given as 9, so that is 9j cap. Now just substitute that p bar in this expression, you will get it as 7i cap plus 6j cap plus q bar is equals to 11i cap plus 9j cap. As we know, we can transpose directly, so that transposing this terms onto the other side, 7 goes that side, it gets subtracted from 11, which turns out to be 4i cap, and then 6j cap goes on to the other side, subtract from 9j cap, turns out to be 3j cap. So finally the vector q bar is given as 4i cap plus 3j cap. We have deduced this one out, and now what was he asking you to find? Magnitude of q. So therefore magnitude of q bar is equals to root over 4 square plus 3 square, which is equals to root 25, which comes out to be 5 units. So hope you all understood this one. Thank you very much.